Hello everyone to How to Browser. In this video I'll show you how you can add title in or text in the video in Blender video editing. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to right click. Sorry, actually you have to go to add, and then here in add we have text. Grab the text, drag it over the video or to the video, and here we have the video. And okay, now just select the text, and here we have a couple of different options. Here are right how to browser. From here we can change the style. Click on open. Here you have different fonts that you can use. Okay, from here we can change the size. Okay, and we can make the text bold and change the color. Okay, I think okay, and if you want to move this from here, okay, and if you want to add some behind color like a box, from here enable this. Enable the shadow. Okay, and you can add composition, which is pretty cool for blending, for for multiplying if you have other things behind, or crop. You want to crop the text. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you add text in the Blender video editing. I hope this video provides you with value. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.